Hello everyone. Presenting before you today's question for I Brahma series of questions. The question says, a 100 liters solution contains 20 liters rum, 30 liters whiskey, and 10 liters vodka and remaining water. Mr. Bewda did the following. Step 1. He replaced 25 liters of solution with equal quantity of water. Okay, so let us make some notes. The solution has been replaced, the content has been manipulated, but overall solution would be 100 liters only because whatever has been taken out has been replaced now. Step 2. On insistence of Miss Bewdi, his girlfriend, he added 10 liters of gin. So whatever the contents are, whatever the ratio of content is, but overall the solution is 110 liters after step 2. Step 3. Sharabi Saab, his boss, poured away 50 liters of solution for the ongoing party. So when he poured away 50 liters out of 110, the remaining one is 60 liters only. Step 4. Bewda ordered Bhand Baba, his driver, to add 30 liters of whiskey in the remaining solution. So at step 3 it was 60, now it will become 90 liters in total. So as you can see, total amount of solution is being changed after every step. Mr. Caterpillar, a CAT aspirant who secured 99.99 percentile last year, was asked by me to calculate the exact ratio of alcoholic to non-alcoholic fluids in the final solution. He was obviously right. Can you answer this? When I talk about non-alcohol, it is essentially water. So, first of all, we'll have to analyze that what is the alcoholic content. So alcohol will be sum of rum, whiskey and vodka, that is 20 plus 30 plus 10, that is 60 liters, that will be alcohol. And the remaining quantity is water. Overall we had 100 in totality initially, so now we'll be having, water will be 40 liters. Here we have to keep in mind that we can calculate for alcohol or for water, it doesn't really matter. Whatever we'll get the answer, we'll subtract that from the final quantity of total solution, which is 90 for this question. All right, so let us do that. So I'll start with calculation of alcohol. At step 1, what happened? The 60 liters of alcohol, 25 was removed and equal quantity was replaced out of 100. That means if we talk about the ratio, the remaining quantity will be 100 minus 25 upon 100. This will be remaining because 25 liters has been replaced. So if I multiply 100 minus 25 upon 100 with 60, I'll get the amount of alcohol after step 1. Now coming to step 2. So in step 2, Miss Bewdi added 10 liters of gin, which is alcohol, and because I'm calculating the amount of alcohol, that is why I can add 10 to it, because of course 10 liters of gin is again alcohol. In step 3, his boss poured away 50 liters of solution for the ongoing party. 50 from what? From 110. That means if I keep this inside a bracket, this bracket means the quantity of alcohol remaining after step 2, and in step 3, 50 liters has been removed. Now, what does that mean? What does that mean? That the remaining quantity will be 110 minus 50 whole upon 110, because here we had 110 liters of final solution. So at every step, we'll assume the final quantity as the final quantity in the previous step. So after that comes the step 4. In step 4, Bhand Baba, his driver, added 30 liters of whiskey in the remaining solution. This entire thing is alcohol. Whiskey is also alcohol. So we'll add this 30 over here, and this is how we can get the final quantity of alcohol in the solution. Let us calculate this one. 60 multiplied by, this is 75 by 100, or I can say 3 by 4. Then plus 10, keep this inside a bracket. 100 minus 50 is 60 upon 110, that will be 6 by 11. Keep this inside a bracket as well. This is 6 by 11. And then plus 30. This becomes 55 multiplied by opening the bracket 6 by 11 plus 30. You can see 11 and 50 get cancelled 5 times. So 5 into 6, 30 plus 30 is 60. We have 60 liters of alcohol. And that is where the question is solved. So when alcohol now is 60 and total quantity is 90, as explained earlier, the water will be 90 minus 60, that is 30. So we have 30 liters water and 60 liters alcohol. The question asks about the ratio of alcoholic to non-alcoholic fluids, that is 60 is to 30, or we can directly say 2 is to 1. This is the answer. In this question, a concept is being built that at every step we'll have to assume the final quantity to be equal to that in the previous step. Thank you.